Alright, what's up, healthy people? It's Ange with Less Health with Ange. Today I'm going to show you how to design the perfect low carb green juice. So there are certain elements that are always involved in this low carb juice. Greens, what I like to call your level ups, your sweeteners, and then your always. Stick to these greens: spinach, kale, Swiss chard, and romaine lettuce. Level ups, I'm talking cucumber, I'm talking celery, and I'm talking red, yellow, and orange sweet peppers. Yep. Now, for your sweetness, I'm talking apple, a pear, carrots, stevia drops. In your always category, I'm talking lemon and I'm talking ginger. You're gonna pick one from the greens category, 1 to 2 from your level ups, 1 from your sweet category, and then of course you're gonna hit the always. I find about a nub or about 10 grams of ginger is more than enough. So get out there, get your juicer, get to low carb juicing. I hope this helps. If you have any questions for me, just hit me up either in my private message or comment below. If you have any great advice for low carb juicing, feel free to share. All right? We want to spread health. We want to less health. Live, eat, think, sleep, health. I hope this helped. Have a great day. Peace.